Namaste children. Welcome back to English class. Today we are going to see the third poem, All the Words is Stage, written by William Shakespeare. This poetic lines was taken from the play As You Like It. This is a play written by William Shakespeare. Okay, from that play only he took this poetic line. Okay. In this play, Jacques, this is the character, it said these lines. Okay. Before enter into the poem, we should know about author. William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was a great writer and a very famous writer in the Elizabethan period. He born in 1564 and 1586 he went to London for seeking job. There only he started to write. After writing, he became very famous. He wrote 154 sonnets and 37 dramas. Okay, we can divide the dramas based on tragedy, comedy and historical plays. And his characters are well neat. Okay, in his plays. Readers can imagine, readers can feel the characters' feelings as well as we can enjoy his play. Okay, so the poem in your book, page number 89, children. Okay, shall we read this poem? Yes. All the words is stage, and all men and women merely players. They have the exit and their entrance. And one man in his time plays many parts, his acts being 7 ages. So this word is compared to stage, children. And men and women are players. Players means actors. They have their exit and entrance. Entrance means birth. Exit means death. And one man in his lifespan plays many parts. That is many characters. His acts being 7 ages. He divided that into 7. Okay. So, this word is compared to stage. We are, men and women, both are players. That is actors. Actors. We have birth and death. Entry and exit. So, we have 7 stages in our lifespan. Okay. Then, at first, infant. Okay, first one is infant. Infant means newborn baby. Mewling and pucking in nurse arms. Mewling means giving a sound and pucking means vomiting in the nurse arms. Newborn baby. A baby doesn't know anything. Okay, second one. Then the winning school boy with his character Saturn and shining morning face, creeping like snail unwillingly to school. This is the second stage. Okay, winning means what? Unwillingly. Okay, without interest. Saddle means what? Shoulder back. And shining morning face, creeping means go slowly to school. So unwillingly he goes to school. Then fourth stage. Then the lover boy. Then the lover. Shining like furnace with a awful ballad made to his mistress' eyebrow. Furnace means fireplace. With awful means what? Sad. Ballad means song. He is writing a sad song. Why? To attract his lover's attention. Okay. Then fourth stage is a soldier stage. Full of strange oaths and bearded like the pard, jealous in honor, sudden and quick in quarrel, seeking the bubble reputation, even in the cannon's mouth. Up to this. Full of strange oaths. Oath means promises. Strange. Okay. Visitramana. And bearded like a pard. Pard means leopard. Beard. Like a leopard. Jealous in honor. Okay. Always he needs respect. Jealous in honor means as a young man, he takes care for his honor. And sudden and quick in reputation. Always he gets quarrel with others. seeking the bubble reputation. Bubble means empty, it's not a certain one. Okay, it's not a what permanent one. So he is expecting what unpermanent reputation. Even in Cannon's mouth, even though he is standing in front of Cannon. Cannon means what? Cannon means gun. Okay. Even though he is standing in front of Cannon mouth. Okay, this is the fourth stage. Next, fifth stage. And then the justice in far round belly with good cap and line, with eyes severe and beard of former cut, full of wise sauce and modern instances, and so he plays his part. Okay, justice stage. This is like your father, like your parents' stage, children. Okay, fair round belly by taking good diet. Okay, can line means what? Line means to fill something at the edges here. The man was fat from eating good diet. With eyes severe, always looking, always what? He looks, he scrutinize all the thing. And beard of former cut, neat shaving and neat hairstyle. Full of wise sauce. Sauce means sayings, saying, always advising, always saying good thing to others. And modern instances, and so he plays his part. Okay, he sacrificed lot for his family. Okay, our parents also like that only, children. Yes, they are sacrificing lot for his family, your family. Okay, then sixth stage. In the sixth stage, shift into the lean and slippered pantaloon with his spectacles on nose and pouch on side. His youthful hose well shaved were too wide for his shank, and his big manly voice turning again toward childish treble pipes and whistles in his sound. Up to this, the sixth stage is the old man stage. Young old man, grandpa, our grandpa stage. Okay, lean and slippered pantaloon means what? Here it describes a thin old man. Okay, pantaloon means pant also another meaning is there. Here a thin old man with the spectacle on nose, eye glasses, pouch on side, money purse on side, with useful hose, HOSE, hose means what? Tight thin trouser, well shaved, a word too wide. A word too wide means here much too big. Okay, for his shank means, okay, shank means persons of shrink means grow smaller. Okay, so his leg and all very lean, and his big manly voice turning again toward childish trouble. His manly voice once again turn into child, is like a child, and he pipes and whistles in his sound. Pipes means a high sound, breathing sound. He is giving breathing sound. He can't breathe what? Not continuously, easily. Okay, while breathe he is giving sound. Okay, this is the sixth stage, children. Okay, what is the first stage? Infant. Second one, schoolboy. Third one, lover stage. Fourth one, soldier stage. Fifth one, justice. Sixth one, old man, grandpa stage. At last, seventh stage, last scene of all, that ends this strange eventful history, is second childishness and mere oblivion. Sans teeth, sans size, sans state, sans everything. So this is the last stage. This is seventh stage, children. That is second childishness. இரண்டாம் குழந்தை பருவம். And mere oblivion. Oblivion means what? Forgetfulness. He doesn't know what is happening around him. Okay, he or she. Okay. Sans means without teeth. Okay, in birth time also we don't have teeth. After பிறந்த உடனே நமக்கு பல்லு இருந்ததா? இல்லை. அட் லாஸ்ட் செவன்த் ஸ்டேஜ் ஆல்சோ நோ டீத், நோ ஐஸ், ப்ராப்பர் ஐசைட், நோ டேஸ்ட், சான்ஸ், எவ்ரி திங், நத்திங். can't carry heavy things, can't walk fast, can't run, can't work hard. Okay, in this stage he is expecting help from others like a child. So Shakespeare said this is the second childishness stage. Okay, okay children, poem over. So in this poem Shakespeare said man's life has 7 stages. Okay, first one is an infant, second one is schoolboy, third one is lover, fourth one is soldier, fifth one is justice, sixth one is old man, seventh one is very old man. That is second childishness stage. Okay children, one day we will also get what age, maybe it's above 60 or 70. Now at present, what is our duty? We should do that best. Okay, we should obey our parents. We should do some good what to others, some good call, maybe நல்லது எல்லாத்துக்கும் என்ன பண்ணணும், ஒரு நம்மளால் முடிஞ்ச அளவுக்கு நம்ம குடும்பத்துக்கும் சரி, நம்மளை சுற்றி இருக்கவங்களுக்கும் சரி, நம்ம நாட்டுக்கும் சரி, நம்ம நல்ல ஒரு சிட்டிசனாக இருக்கிறதுக்கு ட்ரை பண்ணணும். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ சில்ட்ரன். Here after learning this lesson, Silas poem, they are giving some glossary, go through that. Then question answers also they are giving. If you read that poem, you can understand this question answers and you can write the answer for these question answers. Okay, thank you children. I hope you understand this poem. Happy learning children. Thank you.